Hey guys, this is Jay. Today we are going to see website UI design tutorial in Photoshop. Before getting started, you can download all the files used in this tutorial. Link in the description. Download it, use it. If you got any doubt, let me know in the comment section. I'll help you. In case if you want that completely designed .psd file means, hit the like button. Soon after reaching 100 likes, I'll give you the download link. Fine, let's get started. First go to the folder you downloaded. There you will see a PSD file called project. Open the file inside Photoshop. This one is a design ready file. You can straight away start designing it. Obviously if you want, you can create your own canvas. I have given you the color palette, the colors we are going to use in this design. First let's create a solid color background. Create a layer. Inside background folder, go to color picker and sample and select this gray color and fill the color. I'm using keyboard shortcut Alt backspace. Next we are going to create a rectangle shape. For that, create a layer. I'll name it as R1. Now go to color picker, select solid white color, this one. Now select rounded rectangle tool. I'll keep the radius as 30 pixels. Now give a click and create a rectangle which reads 1385 by 769. I'll place the shape somewhere here. Next I'm going to add a drop shadow effect. For that, right click, blending option, select drop shadow. There I'll go with the blending mode as normal. I'll keep the color as black, opacity as 890. I'll keep the distance as 5, spread as 24, size as 29. Okay, let's keep it minimal. Click OK. Now I'm going to create a duplicate copy, Ctrl J, I'll name it as R2. Now bring the layer below R1, enable free transform tool and resize the shape. I'll move the shape to left little bit. Now I'll reduce the opacity down to 50%. Next I'm going to repeat the very same step. Create a duplicate copy, Ctrl J, name it as R3, move the layer below R2. Now enable free transform tool, resize the shape, move it a little bit to left. I'll change the opacity to 30%. Fine, now our shapes are ready. Next we are going to bring in our main image. Go to the folder you downloaded. There you will see a shoe image. Open the image inside Photoshop. Now drag and drop the image inside our canvas. Make sure to place the image inside image folder, this one. Now enable free transform tool and resize the image. Fine, I'll settle with this one. Next we are going to add shadows to our shoe. For that, create a layer, place it below the image. I'll name it as a S1. Now go to color picker, sample and select this black color. Now enable brush tool, select soft round brush, this one. Zoom in, reduce the brush size and add shadows like so. Next I'm going to add another shadow layer. For that, create a layer, name it as S2. Now using the very same brush and black color, increase the brush size to 700 pixels. Now give a single click, enable free transform tool and resize the shape like so. Now by holding Ctrl key in your keyboard, move the top right end like so. Now enter. I'm going to move the shape and place it somewhere here. Now again I'll enable the free transform tool and give a slight rotation to match with the other shadow image. Fine, I'll settle with this one. Next I'm going to add few circle shapes here. For that, go to the background folder, create a layer, right click and clip mask the layer. Now go to color picker and sample this green color. Now I'm going to create a circle shape. For that, select ellipse tool, this one. By holding shift key in your keyboard, create a circle shape. Fine. I'm going to repeat the very same step. Create a layer, clip mask the layer, go to color picker. I'll select blue color here. Using the very same ellipse tool, create a circle shape. I'll repeat the same step to create two more shapes. Another one here. Next, I'm going to create a layer. Again, I'm going to clip mask the layer. Now go to color picker and select the black color. Okay, I'm going to create a circle shape here. By holding shift key, create a circle shape. Now I'm going to reduce the opacity of this shape down to 5%. Fine, now we are done with the shape designing part. Next, we are going to add our text content. For that, go to the text folder, create a layer, go to color picker and select the black color. The font I'm using is a free font. You can download it. I'll give a link in the description. I'll keep the style as bold and size as 72 points and type in your text. I'll reduce the opacity down to 8%. Next, I'm going to create another layer. This time I'm going with size 51. Now type in your text. Now I'm going to add a drop shadow effect. For that, select the layer, right click, blending option, go to drop shadow. I'm going with normal black. I'll keep the opacity as 20%. I'm going with the same settings we used previously. Distance as 5, spread 24, size 29. Click OK. I'll create a duplicate copy, Ctrl J, edit the text. Now I'm going to add a text layer at the top here. Create a layer. I'm going the same black color, but I'm going to reduce the font size down to 10 points. I'll keep the opacity as 40%. Next, I'm going to add two more text content here. I'm sure you'll know the process. I'm going to fast forward it. Next, I'm going to add a line shape here. For that, go to the design folder, create a layer, go to color picker and sample this green color. Now go to shapes tool and select line tool. Make sure to keep the weight as 2 pixels. Now create a line shape like so. Fine. Next, we are going to create 3 buttons here. For that, create a layer. I'll name it as B1. Now go to color picker, select the white color. Now go to shapes tool and select rounded rectangle tool. Keep the radius as 8 pixels. Now give a click and create a rectangle shape which reads 179 by 47. I'll place it here. Next, I'm going to create 2 more buttons. Create a layer, name it as B2. Again, select the rounded rectangle tool. Make sure to reduce the radius to 6 pixels. Give a click and create a rectangle which reads 127 by 42. I'll place it here. Next, I'm going to create a duplicate copy, Ctrl J, move the shape and place it somewhere here. I'll name it as B3. Next, I'm going to name the buttons. Go to text folder, create a layer. I'm going with the black color. I'm using the very same font. I'll reduce the font size to 7 points. For the other buttons, I'm going to keep the font size as 6 points. Create a duplicate copy, Ctrl J. As a final step, let's add a minimal shadow effect to our buttons. For that, I'm going to copy the layer style we used previously for the text. Right click, copy the layer style. Now select the buttons by holding Shift key in your keyboard. Paste the layer style. It looks a little bit harsh. Let's reduce the opacity a little bit. I'll select B1 crop shadow. I'll reduce the opacity down to 8 points. I'll copy the layer style and place the layer style to other two buttons. There you go, our design is ready. So that's it guys. I hope this video is useful to you. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. For more tutorials, subscribe to our channel, click the bell icon. Thanks for watching. Take care.